Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about an AI platform where you can use different AI models. Just you can type Arena AI, then you can open this official website, and after that on the top this one selected battle mode, then you need to select this one, then select this one direct. After that select this one, make sure that this one is selected. Now you can scroll down. Here you can see these are the different AI models that you can select. For example, if I select Gemini, this one, then you can type anything. For example, create content for Fiverr local SEO services gig, maximum 1200 characters, then press enter. After that select this one, agree, then create the account. So let me select this one, and after that scroll down, click here continue button. Here you can see this one is the content. So in this way you can select any of the AI model